Welcome to the heart of nature. Today, we're taking you inside a hidden modern cabin tucked deep in the woods of upstate New York. A peaceful retreat where time slows down and the forest becomes your closest neighbor. Set on over 3 acres of private land, this sleek cabin offers everything you need for the perfect nature escape. A cozy fireplace, minimalist design, and an outdoor hot tub surrounded by trees. Whether you're planning a romantic weekend, a quiet solo getaway, or just need a break from the city, this place might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's step inside.